So hello guys, this will be a long-term review for this review. This AXOR Gator gloves which I have bought around 8 months ago. This will be the detailed review at how these gloves perform and what all things you have to take in mind before buying these gloves. So it's been around 8 to 9 months I have been using these gloves. I have a full detailed video, like not detailed but first impression of unboxing and first impression of these gloves. The video will be somewhere here. I will ping the link here. Then talking about these gloves, these are really good gloves in the budget of 2000 to 2500. I got it, I think, around 2600, so under 3000. It is good gloves, but I would say the quality is not up to mark. If you see, this part is not of a leather thing. So if you're seeing the fingertips of these gloves from here, or the finger from this thing, so they are not keeping they're not keeping up to their price. It's not even a year. It should not be like that. I will not say that I have used them less. Of course I have used them a lot. I am using them for the daily rides which I go to the office. Yeah, my office is around 50 kilometers, like both ways, so it's a pretty good ride if you consider for a daily ride. So these gloves have held good, but I would say it could have been better. So talking about features, they have this thing for protection. Then we have the leather upholstery here, and these are the full gauntlet gloves. But I would say the little things which matter, that the brand should take into consideration, I would say the quality is degrading. I would say 8 months, 9 months is nothing compared to the price which they are offered, 2600. They should at least go for, I would say, 1 or 1.5 years without such things. After that 1.5 years, this thing of usage, it's okay, but see, it is completely disaster for the price which they have come. So I would say if you are buying them as for city usage, as for short drives or highway touring for once or twice a month or once a week in a month, then it's they are good. But if you are planning to buy them for long rides or pretty very long, like 500, 700, 800,000 kilometer ride, then these are not the gloves. I have seen a lot of them using, a lot of people, my friend have these two. His gloves are in good condition, but I would say that his riding is very low. He only rides once or twice in a month. So for that use case, if you are buying for that occasional ride, weekend ride, then it is good. If you are buying for everyday use, everyday ride, or you will be using for multiple rides, then it is not good. I will suggest another. I have a friend of mine who have what we can say, whole shoot gloves from Vitera whole shoot. They come around a budget of 3.5k, and I will say that they are the best. They are the whole leather build. I will definitely ask him to give that glove for me for a video. I will make a review video of them riding it, and then he's been using for some time, and I have seen multiple users. They have using that same glove, Vitera whole shot, for 3 years plus, and the gloves is holding pretty much good. So that's it for the review. I would say if you want, you can buy this in 2600. It is pretty much good in that price category. But yeah, if you are thinking that it will be a tough gloves, a rigid glove that will not tear apart on an extensive use, and this is not the gloves you are looking for. So yeah, that's it. Thank you. Bye bye.